As a reminder, I am not a financial planner, nor is this financial advice, and I'm not your financial advisor. Hi everyone, it's Gerald Cannon, and welcome back to the journey. Let's talk about our latest investments.
Okay everyone, we're over here on MetaTrades where we are in the middle of the screen where we have a total traded and that's deposited of $1,000. It says confirmed deposit right below that of $1,000 and a confirmed withdrawal of $84 and a referral bonus of 0. That's all in this middle column here. So if we look over everyone, we have total profits of $12 that we can move around. And it tells us we have one active package, and that package is the TradeBots 2.0, and it is earning 1.2% off of our 1,000. So what we'll do first, everyone, is we will move this $12 over to this account balance where we show an account balance of $72, and the balance in our account is $1,084. And we will come under here under the transaction, everyone, and I will hit interest, and as you can see it says want to withdraw from your interest, choose the plan to withdraw the interest from. So there's that $12 there. I don't have any other drop downs because you can be in more than one plan at one time, but I only am in one. Still filling it out, making sure we understand it and everything, everyone. And you're watching the video and sometimes you'll see me stumble while I'm fumbling, but I'm definitely trying to learn while I earn, everyone. All right, everyone, now where we want to withdraw the funds to, we'll click this arrow here and we'll say put that in our account balance. I'm just going to type in 12 and I don't need to put in anything else. No dot, no 00. Then I'm going to hit confirm and withdraw. And it says this is to confirm your withdrawal of $12, and it breaks it down into a Bitcoin amount. For MetaTrades, please cancel if you did not initiate it. So cancels right down here. I'm going to go ahead and hit proceed, and it shows me some of the $12 a day that I'm making that I am going to just, and we also show up here one success, profit withdrawal to wallet successful. I'm gonna go back to my overview, and now you can see it has changed from 72 to 84 because that's what $12 does to that number. All right, everyone, let's keep it moving. If this is a platform you're looking at, let me show you the different plans that they offer. We'll come over here and hit invest. To join MetaTrades, you must come to the table with a minimum of $250. And that's the plan that I am on right here, everyone. That's a 1.2 daily interest. And that turns out to be 6% weekly. And you have a profit calculator over here. You can click this profit calculator. The lines do not show well on the amount in days, but if I click right below amount, everyone, you can see a number or a line appear. So now you can actually type in here a number, and then you do the same for days. And I just typed in a bunch of 2s and 3s, and then you can see I can calculate that, and it will tell me $2,222 in 33 days will turn to $3,101 and some change. So that's how that calculator part works, everyone. You can play around with that and do your thing. The next plan, everyone, requires $1,500, and it is paying 1.6% daily. I'm going to skip through these plans a little faster because most of the time if you're new to a platform, you're not usually coming in strong. You come in low and see how the platform performs, as I have done, and then you go from there. The next plan picks up at $3,500, is paying 2%, and then a $10,500 plan is paying 2.5%, everyone. And then they have a compounding plan that's $2,500. And those are the plans that they offer there. They also offer sharing. If you're sharing this, you can build up your team. I don't remember right offhand. I want to say it's about 8% for the affiliate, but if that's part of your due diligence, check that out if you're building a team, everyone. And then as far as the deposit, let me show you all. Here's my initial $1,000 deposit. It looks like 27th of February. That went in, and then under your history, you can show your bot history, your deposits, transfers, withdrawals, and others. I have not did any withdrawals to my wallet yet. I'll knock that out one day next week, everyone. So if I come over here to my bot history, it'll show you that I am on that plan that we talked about, the TradeBots 2.0. daily of a 1.2%, and the amount invested was $1,000. And then as far as deposit, here's the different cryptocurrencies that MetaTrade's accepts. You can see there's a check mark on Bitcoin. There's also USDT on the ERC or TRC20, Ethereum, the BNB coin, and then also the last one, you see the USDT right here, everyone. So those are the cryptocurrencies they accept if you're looking to join this platform. So if I come over here and hit trading under trading bot, it takes me back to that same area to talk about. And at any time, I can also purchase an additional bot. Even though I have a bot going, I could come over here and purchase one of these bots here, choose the plan, and make a deposit and go from there, everyone. We'll head back to our overview, and it just shows you everything here. Looks like one person has joined on the team, and that's where we're sitting at for now. All right, everyone, this is just a short, quick update on MetaTrades, and I will update you as things proceed on. Until the next MetaTrade updates, you all take it easy.
Stay up on everything that's happening here at The Journey. Be sure and hit that subscription button if you have not already done so. Give this video a thumbs up and hit that bell to be notified of all future uploads. I will always leave links to the programs I am participating in under the video in the Show More area. If you'd like to proceed forward with any of those programs, make sure you take your time and do your due diligence prior to investing. Be sure and watch the videos to the end, as I will link other interesting videos. Thank you all for taking time out of your busy schedule to watch this video.